This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to find your WordPress login URL. There's actually a few ways you can do this. So if you're on a good hosting provider, you can simply type in your domain name. So mine is wanderdesign.com, and all you have to do is have a / and log in. From there, you can see it'll bring me to the WordPress login. So you simply add your username or email address and your password, and you're good to go. You can also just simply type, instead of login, it would be / admin, since you're technically logging into your admin dashboard. As you can see, that brings me to my WordPress dashboard. If those two don't work, you can simply type in another way. You can type in WP / with your domain, WP login.php, or you can type in / WP -admin. And that will also bring me to my dashboard. So there's technically 4 ways you can access the URL for your site to access your admin dashboard. The one other additional way that you can do this is if you have access to your hosting provider, you can simply go into your site and log in from your hosting provider, depending on the hosting that you have. Okay, so hope that helps and have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.